Okay, came down to the chicken house, let the chickens out. I bet they're happy to be outside where there's a little bit of grass on this beautiful day. Hey, chicks!
You can't find its way out.
Yeah, some of these chickens aren't the smartest in the bunch. Jim is going to tear this little, what we thought would be a great little chicken house out, but really it never got used and it's just taking up their space, so he's going to tear that out. Boy, they're digging holes like crazy. Don't let anybody tell you chickens don't dig holes. There's my pretty rooster. Where's John Wayne? They're molting in the middle of winter a little bit, I see.
Rear end is badly.
Who's?
Him. Losing his hair.
John Wayne?
Yeah, see?
Oh, that's just normal.
Yeah.
It's this chicken's. That's John Wayne.
Now you can count on these three, I think.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Tax time. I have to count chickens. Getting down to their level. I threw them out some sunflower seeds. Yeah. They're happy campers. Not only are they outside today, they have sunflower seeds. Treat them right. Finger licking good. My daughter used to call them, what was it called them, Rachel? She named them by Kentucky Fried Chicken names. Extra crispy, probably that kind of stuff. Hey, John Wayne. Happy chickens. John Wayne watching over his flock. Oh, here's my Americana. Not very afraid of me, are they? Sitting here on the ground in front of him. Chickens are enjoying the leaves. Scratching away. In fact, their scratching is becoming a problem. They're digging holes underneath my chicken pen. Fencing. Can we get a crow out of you? These chickens need names. They're not doing much crowing. Too busy looking after the flock, I guess. Look at him. What's that noise? Calling him in. Funny thing. John Wayne doesn't even look up. He says, that's not a rooster I've ever heard. Listen, here's my other Polish crested. He has a match. She's way over there somewhere. There she is, back there in the distance. Nice little group of chickens. I think there's 14 or 15 eggs in there, so still getting plenty of eggs every day.